scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Instantaneous rate of change means derivative. Take f of x equals sine x over x, then evaluate at pi over 2. Start by differentiating f of x equals sine x over x with the quotient rule. Denominator times derivative of numerator minus numerator times derivative of denominator all over x squared. That gives f prime of x equals x cosine x minus sine x over x squared. Now plug in x equals pi over 2 and evaluate each trig piece carefully. Since cosine of pi over 2 is 0 and sine of pi over 2 is 1, the numerator is negative 1, so f prime equals... Well done! Option A, scan now. Watch signs and do not rush. Trust the given function and check each derivative step carefully.